Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to build the Philippines outline for my series called the World Series. This took me so long to get out because I had to find the right proportions and everything. And other than that, let's get going. Materials needed is red concrete, white concrete, yellow concrete, and blue concrete. So let's go. Okay, once you figure out where you want to start it, place a yellow concrete on the ground. Extend that first block over to the right by one, and extend this block down by one. And then from this block right here, make 3 right, bottom, left diagonals. 1, 2, 3. So this is the first little island. Okay, now from the very starting block, you want to leave a gap of 3, and on this 4th block, place a yellow concrete. Extend it to the up by 2, and extend this block right by 2, and extend this block to the right by 2. From there, you want to place a bottom right diagonal and extend it down by 2, and extend this block to the left by 2. And then while we're here, we're going to fill this in with white concrete because it's just 4 little blocks. Now from there, you want to extend this very bottom right diagonal, this block right here. You want to leave a gap of 2 going this way to the right, and below that second block, you want to place a yellow concrete. Place a bottom left diagonal and extend that down. Now, from here, from this block, you want to leave a gap of 1, and on the second block, you place a yellow concrete. Extend that down by 3. 1, 2, 3. And to the right by 1. Place 2 up right diagonals and extend that up by 1. Place an up left diagonal and using 1 block to the left of it, you want to connect it like that. And we're also going to fill this in with some white concrete. From there, you want to come down to this block right here on this little island right here, and extend it and leave a gap of 1. And on the second block, place a yellow concrete. Place a bottom left diagonal and extend it to the left by 1. Extend this up by 1. Extend this to the left by 1. From there, you want to come to the very starting block of this island and leave a gap of 2. And on this third block, place a yellow concrete. Place an upright diagonal from that and extend this to the right and extend that up. And this is what it should be looking like so far. From this block, leave a gap of 2 and place a yellow concrete. Place an up right diagonal, extend that up and extend this block. And then coming back down here, you want to extend that to the right by 1. Now, from this block, you want to leave a gap of 2 and place a yellow concrete. Extend it to the left by 1 and place an up left diagonal. Extend that up, place an up right diagonal. And from that, you want to place 2 blocks to the right. And then from there, you want to place 2 blocks to below. Now, this is what the entire thing should be looking like so far. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill this part in with some white concrete. Now, from there, you want to come to this top block right here. Leave a gap of 3 and place a yellow concrete. Place 2 up left diagonals and extend it to the left by 1. If I'm going too fast, you can slow it down. Now, from this gap block right here, actually, we're going to come to this block. And from there, wait, no, I just noticed. You can go here. Now leave a gap of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On this 5th block, place a yellow concrete. Place a bottom left diagonal, extend it down, and from this block again, going back up, place a block to the left of it. From there, place an up left diagonal. This is what it should be looking like so far. Now coming to this block right here, you want to leave a gap upwards from it, and leave a gap of 2 from that. And on this block right here, place a yellow concrete. Extend it to the right by 2, up by 1, and left by 1. Should be looking like that. Now we're going to come back to this block right here. You guys should see it. Leave a gap of 2 and place a blue concrete this time. Extend it down, and from here extend this to the right by 2. 1, 2. Place 2 bottom right diagonals and extend that down by 3. Place a bottom left diagonal and extend that down by 1 and extend that to the left by 1. Place a bottom left diagonal, extend it down by 2. Place a bottom left diagonal, extend it to the left by 1. Place 2 up left diagonals, extend that up. Place an up left diagonal, extend it to the left by 1. Place another up left diagonal, extend it to the left by 2. 1, 2. Place a bottom left diagonal, extend it to the left and up 1. Place 2 up right diagonals this time, and place 2 to the right of it. Place another up right diagonal, extend it to the right again by 2. From there, place an up right diagonal and extend it to the right by 1. Now, coming down to this part right here, you want to extend down by 3, like leaving gaps, and then to the left, into the left by 1, still leaving gap. And on this block right here, place a blue concrete. Actually, we're going to use yellow concrete and extend it to the left by 1 and down by 1. This is what the thing should be looking like so far. Now we're going to finish up the final little island. Going to this island right here, you want to find this block right here and extend and leave a gap of 3, and on this 4th block, place a blue concrete. Now from there, place an up right diagonal, extend it up by 2, extend that to the left by 2. Place an up left diagonal, extend it up, extend that to the left by 2. Place 2 up left diagonal and extend that up by 3. 1, 2, 3. Place another 2 upright diagonals and extend that up by 1. Place an up right diagonal, extend that up by 2. Place an up right diagonal and extend it up by 1. Now place an up left diagonal, and extend that to the left by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Extend that down by 2. Now place a bottom left diagonal, extend it down by 1. Bottom left diagonal, extend it down by 2. Place a bottom left diagonal, extend it to the left by 1, and extend that down by 2. Place 2 bottom right diagonals, extend that down by 2. Place a bottom right diagonal, extend it down by 1. Place another bottom right diagonal, and extend it down by 1 again. Place a bottom right diagonal, extend it to the right by 3. 1, 2, 3. Place an up right diagonal, and extend it to the right by 3 again. 1, 2, 3. This is the entire build. Pretty much done. All I need to do is fill it in with red concrete on these 2 big islands. Okay, guys, thank you guys for watching this video that took so long to get out, but I will try to get back to making these videos. But other than that, thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.